If you are thinking about buying a Hamilton Beach 2-slice Perfect Toast toaster, model 22121, I'll show some close-up pictures, give dimensions and electrical specs, then I'll toast a few things to show how the toaster works. This toaster was purchased May 2018. I haven't accepted any money from anyone to do this review, so it's an independent one. The toaster is 8 inches high and 11.5 inches long at its widest and highest points. The front and rear sides are 7 inches wide. Each slot is 5.5 inches long and 1.5 inches wide. The cord comes out of the bottom back corner of the toaster. The cord is about 2 feet long and it has a 2-prong polarized plug. The entire outer casing is plastic, including the bottom. The top of the toaster and the innards are metal. It's 120 volts AC and 900 watts. The crumb tray can be removed entirely from the toaster. There is a toasting guide. I'll use it to do a few tests. There's a few important things to note. Selection 1 is the lightest setting, and 5 is the darkest. The manufacturer discourages putting Pop-Tarts in this toaster. When the bagel settings are selected, only the center heating elements are turned on. Face the cut edges of bagels or muffins to the center of the toaster. This is a single slice of fresh bread on setting number 3. That took about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And there's both sides of the bread. I have 2 slices of frozen bread. The dial is on the number 3 setting. And I'll push the frozen toast button. That took about 3 minutes and 15 seconds. And it toasted both sides. Here's an English muffin with the cut sides facing the inner wall of the toaster. We'll do that on setting 4 with the bagel setting pushed. These came out lightly toasted. They are 100% whole wheat, so it's a little hard to see that. And as expected, this side is soft. Anytime you want to stop the toasting process, just push the cancel button. I can't seem to find a whole lot to dislike about this toaster, and for under $20, I think it does a pretty good job. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated, and thanks for watching.